Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make full page screenshot on Motorola Moto X40. And to do this, first thing is to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, I'm going for settings. Now make sure that you're on top of a page and click on the power and volume down combination of keys. Hold them for about 1 second. You'll make a screenshot. Click on this icon right here. It will start recording entire page. You can click on it again to stop at any time. When it's ready, you can tap on your screenshot, and here it is, full page scrollable screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.